we have planned a very major development. We are investing more than 1 crore to sort out the mobility problem. We have planned for a 40-kilometer twin tunnel, 40-kilometer of twin tunnel in Bangalore from the Hebbal junction to Silk Board on the way to Electronic City, which is highly congested today, and one more about 23 kilometers that will be from Mysore Road to Kyarpuram. Already the progress is there. The first tunnel tender is being out within next 4 or 5 days. I think this will be the about 14.5 meter of dia, which we are going to our 14.5 meter dia is being looked at. Our technical people have organized. We are spending about 17,000 crores on this, and on the second we are spending about 23,000 crores. Apart from this, we are going for a major about 130 kilometers of flyover and a double decker along with the metro. We are coming out with a major plan. Now we have already started about 7 kilometers now. This about 37 kilometers of double decker will be started. Already plans are going on. As early as possible, the tenders will be called. Our priority, we know that the world is looking at Karnataka and Bangalore. We wanted to sort out this mobility plan. Apart from that, we have planned for a buffer zones in adjacent to the stormwater drains also. Whatever the buffer is there, we wanted to have one more roads so that we know that we can't construct buildings on that place. So a new plan has been done about 300 kilometers. We have identified 300 kilometers have been identified for a buffer zone, new roads which will add up in Bangalore.
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.